What's that?
The Viper swear jar.
The Viper what? Who's swearing?
Haven't you heard that people who use Viper have dirty mouths but clean coils?
Yeah, it's the same people who put on everything. So who gets the money?
The Women in HVAC scholarship program.
How does this work?
All you have to do is create a video using our products while swearing and donate to our digital swear jar.
So do they get like a Viper t-shirt or a hat or something?
They'll get a limited edition t-shirt and knowing that they're supporting women in the trades. Awesome.
Hey Burke.
Hey.
I'll explain later, guys.
Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a pen? Thank you.
That was hot.
That's how you sell some.
Customer service? Of course we can. You think I'm some kind of timid so our team can ship your order? Oh, and remember, we'll stay the baddest vendor you work with, and we'll ship those in 24 hours. Thanks for your business. We'll be here for you every day. Talk to you again soon. All right. Whatever.
This is the best batch of blue ever. 99.5% pure.
Guys here.
Great work, team. Having dirty mouths pays off.
What the are you guys doing here?